What is going on YouTube? Murtacus back here, bringing you guys a video. This is how to replace a battery on a 2017, whatever this generation is, Corolla. Pretty simple procedure. I just tested that it is the battery. The battery's pretty low. What you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to unlock the car, press this, and that will unlock the hood. And the hood latch is right here. The release is right here. So I already did that. Confirmed. Put some gloves on. So pretty basic. You'll need a socket, 10mm plus a ratchet, and we're going to start first by loosening the bolts. I'm going to do this one first. What is this? Did I loosen? Nope. Counterclockwise is loosen. We're going to loosen this first. Boom, like that. Put it right where you don't lose it. Now this will come off. I'm just gonna leave it over here. Next step, we're gonna release the positive cable. This one's a little too long. 10mm wrench. So this is too long for this. We're just gonna loosen this, going counterclockwise. Once that is loose, get a flat head. Alright, we'll just loosen it like that. We'll just take it off the terminal. This is pretty old. So that is off. Put that back. And then this one, we gotta be a little careful. Looks a little rusty. Make sure it's on loose. Yeah, this one's super rusty. Just wiggle off like that. And now, this is the old battery. We'll take it with your gloves. Put it out. And I'm using a 35 group size battery. And now this through here. Nice fit. And then we'll take the screw and we'll torque it down. This is what holds the battery down from moving. You want to make sure you do, it's like finger tight. I would say like 10 pounds. It's not a very, tight fit. And then, boom. Once you feel that resistance, it's good. You don't want to do too much or else you strip it, and that's a headache if you do. Let me just clean the terminals. This one's clean. don't breathe it in. Hold my breath. Pretty dirty. I don't think this has ever been changed. But yeah, I put the voltage meter on. This battery was at 8. So that battery was no good. It would not start by itself. So I put the negative on first, and then I'll tighten it down wherever my tool is. We'll need this 10 mil wrench. Tighten the negative down. Be mindful, this one was pretty rusty. I don't know how. It's from water. Just give it a nice little tug, make sure it doesn't move. That is good. And now we'll put the positive on. And then give it a nice little shake down so it's on the terminal nice and tight. And then tighten it clockwise. And then, okay, it's nice and tight. Put the cover. Doesn't really matter. It's just kind of, you know, appearance. But I got the key. This is pretty important. As you can see, the electronics are on. When I open the door, you'll see this, so that's a good sign. We'll put the key in the ignition, put it into the ignition mode, let the battery you know, set up with the car, and now we'll crank it. And that is a successful battery change on a 2017 Corolla. Let it run for a little bit, but 10,000 miles. This customer does not drive the car that much. I'll definitely be hitting them up if they want to sell it. But nice little car, and yeah, that's how you change it. Please like this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.